The fourth cord over is the filler cord. Take the third cord over, take it over, around the back and through. We're making a double half hitch knot. Take the same cord over, around the back and through. If you don't know this knot, I will pop it up on the screen for a more detailed tutorial. Take the next cord and do the same thing. And the last cord here. This cord is now the filler cord. Use this one to make your first double half hitch knot. Work yourself all the way down the line. You should have these cords hang out of the ends and these four to the left. Now this cord is your filler cord, and use this cord to do your double half hitch knots. We're now heading to the left. Now this one's your filler cord, and use this one to do double half hitches to the left. You should have these cords hang out of the ends here and these ones to the right. Now this one is the filler cord, and make one double half hitch knot. Now this one is the filler cord, and use the same cord for doing the wrapping. Now hold that filler cord to the right and do one double half hitch knot. Using these two cords, this one is the filler cord, hold it to the left and do a double half hitch knot. Now use this cord as the filler cord and close that with one more double half hitch knot. This is the filler cord, and use this one to wrap. Do one double half hitch knot, pull it up next to this one up here, normally we go over this way to do a double half hitch knot. This time go behind and now over and through. Now pull it back to the right and do one more knot in the usual way. Use this as the filler cord and do one double half hitch. Now from this side, this is the filler cord. Do a double half hitch, pulling it right up to that one. And now this time, go behind, around, and through. Bring it back to the other side and finish the knot normally. Take the next cord and do a double half hitch knot. And then one more. With this cord and this cord, do one more double half hitch knot. With this cord and this cord, do one more double half hitch knot. This is the filler cord, and make one double half hitch. With this is the filler cord, do one double half hitch. This is the filler cord, hold it to the right and do one double half hitch. This is the filler cord, hold it to the left and do one double half hitch. Keep this as a filler cord, and using this cord, do a double half hitch. This is the filler cord, and make one double half hitch. Pull it right up to this one. Now take this cord and go around the back, pull it over and through. Now take it back to the other side, pull it over, around, and through. Using this as the filler cord, do one double half hitch. One more double half hitch. This is the filler cord, and do a double half hitch. Pulling it right up to meet this one. Finish the double half hitch. Now take this cord to the other side and do the first half of the double half hitch. Take it back to the other side and finish the double half hitch. Take the next cord and do a double half hitch. And the next one. And this one. So you should have the two cords coming this way and the four this way. And you can see the spiral coming in on the outsides and out on the insides. Take this cord over these two cords, this one over that, around the back and through. We're making a square knot. Take this cord over those two, this one around the back and through. Do the same thing with these four cords. Using this cord as the filler cord, do double half hitch knots all the way to the other side. Using this cord, do double half hitches all the way to the other side as well. So you should have these two cords coming out at the end here, and all the rest are hanging the other way. Using the fifth cord over, do double half hitches to the left side. Using the sixth cord over, do double half hitches to the left side. So on both sides, you should have these cords hanging out. Using the 5th cord over as your filler cord, do a double half hitch knot. Keeping this cord, use the 4th cord over as your filler cord and do a double half hitch knot. Keeping this as the filler cord, hold it to the left and do another double half hitch knot. Using this as the filler cord, do a double half hitch knot. Pull this all the way up to meet over here. Now hold this cord to the other side, bring it around and through. Bring it back to the other side and finish the double half hitch knot. Now the 2nd cord is the filler cord, hold to the right and do a double half hitch knot. Grab the next cord, this stays as the filler cord, and do a double half hitch knot. Now use this cord next and do a double half hitch. And the last cord. Do a double half hitch over here. Pull it all the way up to that other one. Finish the double half hitch. Pull the cord to the other side. Go over and around. Pull it back to the other side and finish that double half hitch. And now continue to do your double half hitches all the way down. And then your cord should be hanging like this. Now we'll mirror it on this side. Double half hitch. Another double half hitch. Hold this cord now to the right and do a double half hitch. Double half hitch over here. Pulling it up to touch this other knot. Pull it to the other side and do one knot. Pull it to the other side and finish the knot. Take this cord, holding it to the left, do a double half hitch. Continuing to hold it to the left, do another double half hitch. And continue going. And now a double half hitch here. Hold the cord to the other side, wrap it around. Bring it back to the other side and finish that double half hitch. And then just continue all the way down to the left. Now you can continue the pattern as long as you want, starting here and going to the left. You want to continue this one as the unbroken line. From here to here, I used 6 cords, 5mm cord, and the longest length I needed was 440 centimeters long.